how to create a chart in Google Spreadsheets. First of all, you need some data for that. So here I create some example data with employee names, the year they worked in, the month they worked, their earnings, their expenses, and their profits based on the earnings and expenses. Our goal now is to create a chart that shows per person how many earnings, expenses, and profit they made so far. To create a chart in Google Spreadsheet, you need to click on Insert, then on Chart. Then you see that it automatically creates this window with a chart editor. First step you need to check is the data range. Here it already suggests the range for my data, so I just click on it, OK. And now it automatically filled in the x-axis and some series. The series is there to modify the data you want to show and calculate. So first of all, we look on the x-axis. There are the names. That's good for target, but we still see that there are multiple times the same name. That's a problem because we have here the names multiple times because of the different months the employees worked in. To aggregate that, we just have to tick this box and it aggregates the data for every name. Now we still have a problem that we have the year and month seen here, so you just remove the year and the month from here. Perfect, and now we have a chart with all the earnings, expenses, and profits for the different employees. Maybe some side note, if you leave the editor, you can enter it again with clicking these three dots in the upper right corner. Just click them and click on Edit the chart. So yeah, and these are the first steps to create a chart in Google Spreadsheet.